Okay, T-Bird fans, Gauze Garage coming to you from Englewood, Florida, Cars and Coffee. You're looking at a drop-dead gorgeous 56 T-Bird removable hardtop. Let's look at the data thing here in front of it. Yeah, the infamous 312 automatic car. But the restoration on the car is top-notch. Let's take a closer look at this thing.
There you go.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Yeah, here's where the devil is in the details. See all the trim? And look at that crest. How beautiful it is. That's how you know you're dealing with a very, very nicely done car, is the fine little details. A little OCD goes a long way.
The famous checker lining for the trunks.
The owner was nice enough to open up everything for us so we can have a look-see. And yes, it's a pleasure seeing cars that are done like this, because it's just, you know, like if you drove this off the showroom, this is what you would see back then. Perfect stock restoration. And I try to get the camera right up in there so that you can see the fine detail and how well this car has been executed. And not only is it beautiful, but it's also fully documented. Let's have a look here. Yep, Bloomsburg, Pennsylvania. They've got everything checked off. That's exactly how they would look, to make sure it's got all equipment. And $33,600 price in 56. Not a cheap car. You had to have money to get these. But then again, Thunderbird was Ford's answer to the European convertibles and sports cars, and you have to admit it, it's a classic design. I'm not an expert on these cars, but I know when I see a nice one, and this one is nice. The glass, you can't really tell, but that glass is up. That's how nice that glass is. Wow. So let's walk around and get a full body shot of this thing. And there you have it, T-Bird fans. Gauze Garage coming to you from Englewood, Florida, Cars and Coffee, and we are looking at a drop-dead gorgeous 56 T-Bird. Thank you very much.